This will be the best recipe for Balkan Mekitci you will ever try. Let me show you my foolproof recipe. Start preparing the dough for mekici by sifting the flour in a bowl. Add the yeast, sugar, and salt. Pour the water and using a fork or wooden spoon mix all the ingredients until you get a soft dough. The dough needs to be sticky to make the perfect mekici. Cover the bowl with a kitchen towel and let it rise at room temperature for 70 to 90 minutes, depending on the room temperature. Pour the cooking oil in a large saucepan and heat over medium heat. The dough needs to rise 2 to 3 times more in volume, and when it's ready, you need to grease your hands with cooking oil to work with it. Make sure your hands are well oiled before you take a small piece of dough, roll it into a bowl, and stretch it with the help of your fingers into the desired shape and size. Fry the mekici for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they get a nice golden brown color. Place the fried mekici on a paper-lined tray to absorb the extra oil. The best way to serve them is with a piece of cheese or a glass of yogurt. If you prefer a sweet breakfast, you can serve them sprinkled with some sugar and cinnamon. If you like this recipe, then you should follow my YouTube channel for a lot more video coming in future. Have fun cooking, until the next time.